Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. We do not interfere in the operations of the central bank. That declaration this evening from the finance minister, who says the Bank of Jamaica remains independent. Details from Halshane Burke.
There's no political interference in monetary policies.
A message to the financial market from Finance Minister Favour Williams. She's adamant all decisions made by the BOJ are based on the advice of experts and not politicians. 2 weeks ago, the Bank of Jamaica announced a reduction in its policy interest rate to 6.25%. The move coincided with announcement of several other policy decisions by the GLP administration intended to help ease the financial burden on Jamaicans. It's a development which left some observers concerned.
If it's Monetary Policy Committee decides, based on all the research that they have, that interest rates should be at a certain level, then that is what it is, and that decision is independent of the political directorate.
Minister Williams outlined the specific but limited circumstances under which BOJ and political leaderships interface.
Obviously, the Bank of Jamaica is still within Jamaica and it's still in the government's portfolio of entities. And so operationally, we speak about things. We have to.
The finance minister was speaking Saturday evening at an awards ceremony hosted by the Chartered Financial Analysts CFA's group in Jamaica. CFAs, among other things, offer investment management services to investors.
I call on you as well to continue to advocate, bring more persons into the society, show them the value of being a CFA, and go out and do the work.
Halshane Burke, TVJ News.
Banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $157. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $112.71. $199.03 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $167.41. To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 583 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 24 points. The 47 stocks that advanced include Sterling Investments US dollar shares, First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Paramount Trading, and the KLE Group. The losers were led by Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, 138 Student Living Variable Preference shares, General Accident, Sterling Investments, and CAC 2000. 20 stocks traded firm. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.